अब हम आपको लिए चलते हैं प्रेयर्स फॉर द नेशन। जैसा कि हम सब जानते हैं, कोविड-19 के कारण जिस तरह की स्थितियों का सामना अलग अलग स्तर पर हम कर रहे हैं, उनका सामना करने में जो हमारी समझ है वह तो कारगर होती ही है, पर कई बातें जिनके बारे में हम समझ नहीं पाते, उनकी तरफ भी शक्ति के साथ हम निराकरण की ओर बढ़ें, ऐसे भाव से प्रार्थना करने के लिए समूह रूप में न केवल हमारे पॉलिटिकल रिप्रेजेंटेटिव्स को, कम्युनिटी लीडर्स को, बल्कि श्रद्धालुओं को सम्मिलित करके एक आयोजन प्रेयर फॉर द नेशन का पिछले दिनों किया गया। इसमें सम्मिलित हुए आयोजन करने में श्री नवग्रह देवस्थान और इंडो अमेरिकन कम्युनिटी ऑफ न्यूयॉर्क, इसका समन्वय करने में विशेष भूमिका निभाई उमा सेन गुप्ता जी ने। और भी जो गणमान्य अतिथि इस कार्यक्रम की शोभा बढ़ाने के लिए सम्मिलित हुए जूम पर, उसमें ITV गोल्ड के चेयरमैन पद्मश्री डॉक्टर सुधीर पारिक भी शामिल थे। देखते हैं प्रेयर फॉर द नेशन की कुछ झलकियां।
I am delighted that the American Indian community and all its well-wishers and friends will be organizing prayer for the nation so that we can all pool our energy, ideas, efforts to overcome COVID-19. I wish them the very best, and I would like to encourage all of you to come forward and contribute so that we can put this global pandemic behind us sooner than later. I wish you joy, I wish you happiness. Let us work together, united, committed to overcome COVID-19. Thank you.
Prayer is a very important part of my life. And when I think of prayer, I think of an ocean. On the top of the ocean, the waves are going up and down. There's so much activity. It's so active. But when you go into prayer, you go deeper into yourself and you go to the rest of the ocean, the deep, vast ocean that's dark and still and tranquil and peaceful. And we find a lot about who we are and about what God has intended for all of us. So let's get away from the waves up on top of the ocean and go deep down into ourselves and appreciate the power that lies within. So thank you so much to Uma and all of her friends and community for working together to do this community prayer to get us through these difficult times. Hopefully our prayers will be answered and God will shine upon us and make all of our lives better as we face these difficult days ahead. Thank you so much.
As a state representative in Southwest Nassau County, it is an honor and privilege to virtually join the Indo-American Community Association as they gather and celebrate the power of prayer. To me, prayer isn't just a time of reflection or loud praise. It is a deep spiritual transaction with the Creator. In our time of need, we have always turned to prayer. The weak, the concerned, and the speechless always need our prayers. Those experiencing poverty, injustice, and persecution also need our prayer. But we also need to pray during our happy times, our thankful times, and our peaceful times. Because there are dozens of real-life accounts in the spiritual texts from all religions that discuss the power of prayer.
I am Padmashri Dr. Sudhir Parikh. Namaskar to everyone. Namaskar means I bow to the divine in you. The idea of seeing divine in everyone is rooted in my culture. I have experienced the power of prayer. Positive mindset is natural outcome of prayers. It gives us strength to stay positive in the face of adversaries. I am glad to be a part of this collective effort for uplifting our spirits. God working through us, through prayer, we become His potent medium. A mind that thinks beyond the selfishness works well for humanity. While we work collectively to overcome corona crisis, the idea of collective prayers is source of joy and assurance. We are assured that higher power is invoked to guide us and lead us towards the solution. I join all of you in praying for fast recovery from this challenging phase of the crisis. May we help each other. May we work with each other with selfless approach. May the strength of the prayer help us in overcoming this testing time. Our representative for standing strong, and once again, thank you all the organizers and their representative for standing tall, strong and tall to counter COVID. My wholehearted wishes is that we overcome this challenging period and return back to the normal. Thank you. God bless America. God bless India.
This program started in April 2020, and we've been praying for over 6 months for this nation to overcome COVID-19. And as a community, as a nation, we have the strong belief that when faced with insurmountable challenges or a problem that we can't explain, then prayer is the ultimate answer. So all of you have joined us in all these months, and we thank you for that. We also ask you to continue to pray for the people who've passed away due to COVID-19, for the people who are still trying to recover from COVID-19, and to all the incredible people that are still working to fight this inexplainable disease.
As we gather here together to pray and unite our nation, you might be thinking, what is prayer going to do to solve all of these uncertain problems? People are facing unemployment. People have lost significant others that they care about, whether friends, families, acquaintances, people in their communities. Neighborhoods have been devastated from this virus. People have experienced unforeseen health issues due to the virus, and it can be scary and daunting. And even though we have our medical professionals trying to look for a cure, we have everybody on the ground trying to fight for those who are suffering. You might be saying, well, I'm not seeing any changes, I'm not seeing any differences. And that's where prayer comes in. Prayer is the hope and the core and the resilience to persevere through obstacles. Prayer is the belief that no matter what difficulty, challenge, or circumstance you go through, that you can gather together and you can believe that things can change and you can act upon it.
We firmly believe that the collective power of prayers in this time of global pandemic is something that will truly guide us towards that healing, happy, safe path from the situation that we are in, and bring our community, our great nation of the United States of America, Mother India, and the globe to a better tomorrow, putting this global pandemic behind us.